WWE Super Showdown 2018 results, match card, and winners. The New Day versus The Bar for the SmackDown Tag Team Champions. The winners of this match retaining their SmackDown Tag Team Champions, The New Day. Becky Lynch versus Charlotte Flair for the SmackDown Women's Champion. The winner of this match by disqualification, Charlotte Flair, meaning Becky Lynch is still the SmackDown Women's Champion. John Cena and Bobby Lashley versus Kevin Owens and Elias. The winners of this match, John Cena and Bobby Lashley. Asuka and Naomi versus Billie Kay and Peyton Royce. The winners of this match, the Iconics, Billie Kay and Peyton Royce. AJ Styles versus Samoa Joe for the WWE Champion. The winner of this match, retaining his WWE Champion, AJ Styles. Ronda Rousey and the Bella Twins versus the Riot Squad. The winners of this match was Ronda Rousey and the Bella Twins. Cedric Alexander versus Buddy Murphy for the Cruiserweight Champion. The winner of this match and the new Cruiserweight Champion, Buddy Murphy. The Shield versus Braun Strowman, Dolph Ziggler, and Drew McIntyre. The winners of this match, The Shield. Daniel Bryan versus The Miz. The winner of this match, Daniel Bryan. The Undertaker versus Triple H. The winner of this match was Triple H.